What if a mini-moon collided with our moon? This is gonna blow your mind. If your mini-moon looks like a pebble against the moon, you're about to witness a cosmic collision. Picture this: a mini-moon, affectionately named 2024 PT, hurtling through space. Now, imagine this tiny moon crashing into our beloved original moon. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's a cosmic reality check. First, the impact would create a spectacular explosion visible from Earth. Dust and debris would scatter, forming a temporary ring around the moon. This cosmic dust cloud could even cause temporary lunar eclipses. Next, the moon's surface, already scarred by craters, would gain a new massive crater. The energy released could send shockwaves, shaking the moon's crust. But don't worry, Earth is safe from this celestial drama. What we'd get is front-row seats to one of the universe's most incredible light shows. So the next time you gaze at the moon, remember, space is full of wonders, and sometimes even the tiniest players can make the biggest impact. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing space content.